also like to recognize and invite the students and professors from IPER who have been helping us execute and set up this entire venue.
All the hospitality that you were talking about and how good you all felt when you came in is courtesy the IPER team. Please can you just stand so we give you this thing. This Professor Amarjit Khalsa and Professor Mahesh Soni. Thank you so much for leading your students and the IPER team for doing that. And it was an amazing experience working with all of you.